Hello, welcome to Lecture 8 Term Paper video. In this video, you will learn how to follow instruction carefully to get 100%. You will log in to chat.openai.com and you will answer 4 questions. But I will do only one question for the video as an example. You will use Microsoft Word document. You will write a term paper with APA format 20 point. You will use font size 12, Time New Romans 20 point. You will use SQL code in red color 20 point. You will create a table of content 12 point with page numbers, and you will paraphrase to avoid plagiarism 20 point. The title of lecture 8 is using minimum functions and subqueries in Oracle database. The first question is, what are the scenarios and example of using minimum function in Oracle database? Now we go back to the first one, log into OpenAI. Click on Google. And I will click on chat.openai.com. And I will copy and paste the first question. The first question is, what are the scenarios and examples of using the minimum function in Oracle database? Highlight it and Control C to copy if you like. And then you paste it here, Control V. Press Home to remove the one that you had in there at the top. And then hit delete, and that goes when you press enter. Now ChatGPT is fast, it's responding. Check it out. Now if you notice the way it's going, for you to keep all the code the way it is, you need to clean it out by using Notepad. So you highlight all of this, including your title. Right click it, copy it, and then you click on your Notepad and you will Control V and then Control A, and you take it out of here. Now you're going to Microsoft Word. When Microsoft Word opens up, you will paste. Here's Microsoft Word. Right click it and hit paste. And here is everything you copied. To be on the safe side, first thing you need to do is to move, change the color of all the SQL code to red. Change it to red. Change it to red. You change it to red. All the SQL code has to be red so you don't mix it up. All SQL code is red. All SQL code is red. Gotta find all of them. Okay, I'm missing one here. Make it red and make it red. Make it red. Okay. Okay. we will have a cleanup process. Remove all the SQL copy code that's not a part, and keep the equation at the top, and remove ChatGPT. That is what you will use for your reference. So now I'll continue to add the topic. Actually, let's cut this out of here. And now we are going to create the next thing on here is let's see what's next in here. We are using Microsoft Word, and to make sure you are on APA format 20 point, and a point size is 10. Yeah, point size is 12, time Roman. Let's do that. If you check on the reference, it should say here APA format. You highlight the whole thing, Control A. We are about to do this one that say font size time Roman 20 point. Time Roman 20 point, and we are here on home, and here we type new time, and now we do the 12.12, and the entire document is now 12 point. So we are going to do a citation for the first instruction here. Click over here, click on reference, click on citations, click on new source. The author is ChatGPT. You paste that here, copy and paste. It's coming from a website, keep it website. It's a corporate because ChatGPT is a corporation. The name of the web page will be the question that you use. The title that you use on the question, you copy this right here. Usually it will be on a web page since we only have one web page. And on that web page, if you will notice, we go to the web page. The title is right here. What are the scenarios and examples of using minimum function in Oracle DBA? So you copy that and you paste it here. Name of the website. The name of the website will be the name of the website is ChatGPT. You copy, oh, that's ChatGPT, but that's also the URL part of it. So we go to URL and dump that. And then we get the other part that say the website, which is chat.openai is a website. So that's what we use there. And since you're doing that today, 2024, and today is March 7, put 3 and put 7. If you notice, we have our new citations, all right? Pay attention. The author, ChatGPT. The page title is just the word. What are the scenarios and examples of using minimum function tool or in Oracle database? And the website, we copied it from chat.openai. The year, this year. The month, this month. Day, today. And the URL. Hit OK. That's how you're going to create the bibliography. All right, so we have done the point. We have done the time New Romans 20 point. We have the APA format. Now we're going to get the heading. Now let's take a look at the APA format. Click on Insert and click on the header, and then pick the first one. Again, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. The title. Let's see what's the title. Copy and paste the title right here. Copy and paste the title. Control A. Drop it there. Remove the bullets and put your name. My name is Peter Archibald, and the page number is insert. Page number will be the current location. We'll pick the first one, so we got a 1. So we want to make this Peter to the right. Control R, and then space, 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 space. All right, so we got that. What's the next thing to do here? The next things to do here is to make this red. We already make this red. We're gonna create a table of content, but we can realign everything else before we create a table of content. Make this full page so we can see the whole thing. All right, I have my header, and then every of these should be double line spacing. So you do Control A, and you come over here. Double line spacing is a part of APA format. Click here, find 2 right there, and then make this paragraph. You keep checking the paragraphs and align everything up to be 1 paragraph. Alright, you continue editing until you get to the end of it. Alright, as we continue, you notice that I have fixed and moved everything to become a paragraph, because one question is 1 paragraph. So every paragraph is indented. If you notice, I only have 1 indent on here. Everything is a single paragraph. See how I move everything to be like a text? The only thing that is red in here is the SQL code. If you read it, it runs on. Then the thing you will need to do next is to copy all this thing and go back to ChatGPT and say paraphrase. So that way you are not charged with plagiarism or copy from the internet, which is against the law, without the copy protection violation of proprietary intellectual work of others. So you don't want to be charged with that. So after you're done with this, we are going to create a table of content. Take a look at the next thing we have to do. The next thing we are going to do now, table of contents. To do a table of contents, at least I can give you 2. Let me go. You go to the next question that you are going to do, and I will copy the next question and put it at the bottom. Okay. So that will be the next question. Question number 2. The other one was question number 1. We don't need the actual 2. Just put it like that. Question. That's the next paragraph. Question number 2. Yeah, this has to be the same paragraph. So all the question has to be lined up with the first paragraph. So to create a table of content, just click on the question and click on the reference and click on the table of content, and then you will see add text. Make sure it's level 1. When you do that, it will skip out so that it will show. But I still want you to put it back as the first paragraph. Now go to the next. There's the next question right here. Click on it and do table of content and number 1 again. And then once you do that, put it back as a paragraph. The next thing you do is to generate table of content. So you have to make it a new page. To make it, Control Enter, create a new page for you so that you can put a table of content by saying Table of content right here. Table of content. There you go. Let's go back to the beginning. Now I got two table of content right there. One more thing is the bibliography. You go since you have this chat GPT here, go to the next bottom at the very end. Call this another page, and then click on reference. Click on reference bibliography here, and just click on bibliography. It will automatically give you that bibliography. You press enter, and that's your bibliography. Now you want to save this and keep adding it until all the questions are completed. Then you know you are done. So that's the end for being able to create your term paper. Go through all this and do it the way we had it discussed. If you have any question, then send me a text message to the phone number I gave you.